What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another video today. So starting off, I want to say happy Monday. I actually just landed in Spain, so it's definitely a happy Monday today. But I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of motivation and also just dive into a couple of things before you guys start trading this week. To be honest, I noticed a lot of things throughout the first 11 months of this year, through a lot of trades, and I know this video is definitely going to help some people out there. When it comes to trading, there's so many different styles and methods and rules and tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff. But look, find what works for you. When you find what works for you, start being smart. So when I say start being smart, I mean having a plan, finding a setup. When you have a setup, trade that setup. You know why? You might say, oh, well, I could lose money. You could lose money. But trade that setup and then be smart by having a stop loss. Be smart by cutting your losses on time. Don't worry if the trade goes and starts running 100% after you already cut. That's fine. You had a plan, you had a setup, you traded that. Well done. That's all I can say. Next thing, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Because when you risk more than you can afford to lose, guess what? The emotional side starts coming into it. And when I say the emotional side, you get upset that you lost money. You couldn't afford to lose that money. It was the rent you're supposed to be paying in a few days. All those kind of things come because you're emotional. Why are you emotional? Because you lost money that you shouldn't be losing and you couldn't afford to lose. So yeah, again, have a plan, trade your setup, cut losses on time, be responsible with your trades. I mean, it's not easy, but trading is very doable, but it requires a lot of discipline, a lot of risk management, a lot of calculated risk when you actually trade. Also, please don't be that person who just jumps in every trade they see on Discord, on Twitter, on YouTube, on wherever. All these are trade ideas, and sometimes, even if it's a call out, it's a trade idea at the same time, right? Be smart with your trades. Take what you can, take what you see, take what makes sense to you. Don't be the guy who's just jumping in every single trade. I've met so many of those throughout not only this year but other years gone past. Of course, there are also so many different traders out there, so some people's trading style might not work for you. Those guys who are scalping and taking out quick money, boom, boom, boom. By the time, they've taken out money, you're trying to chase the same play and they've got out of it and you're there looking like a fool. Don't be that guy. Another thing I did want to say is we've got 1 month left of the year. We've had 11 months. So you should, if you have been trading the rest of the year, you should have a pretty good idea now of where you stand with trading. You should have a pretty good idea of, what kind of trader you are, what kind of trader you should be. Of course, if you don't have an idea yet, no worries, Sometimes you just don't have the idea yet. But again, last month of the year, be smart, be courageous, but also keep your head on your shoulders, be calm. I can't tell you how many people panic and worry and fret and this and that just because of trading. Don't. Enjoy it. It's supposed to be enjoyable, not all, you shouldn't be getting upset about it and worrying about things and all that kind of stuff. I'm telling you, life is good. Life is there to enjoy. That's why I'm making this on a Monday, because it's the start of a week, the start of a new week. It's the first full week of December. Don't forget that. But yeah, like I said, just enjoy it. 1 month left. Push hard, but at the same time, enjoy it. Make the most of it. Make the most of life in general. And eventually, you're going to be on the road to being a great trader and actually being consistent and being successful. So yeah, that's kind of what I really wanted to say today. You can kind of see the views as well. Show you guys some of the views. Right here, we're in Spain, España. Also got the World Cup going on, so that's nice. Going to be here for a few of the World Cup games. Should be pretty exciting. But yeah, as I always say to you guys, it's about what you do. It's about the life you create. I mean, there's so many ups and downs on this trading journey. So many trading strategies that I've talked about in this video and previous videos, all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to tell you once again, guys, it's the last month of the year. It's definitely the time to push. That's why I'm bringing you guys this Monday motivation video. I'll also show you guys around just so you guys can see some sights in Spain for those of you who have never been. I'm lucky enough to be going for the third time, or to be here for the third time this year. Always different cities, but the third time this year. So yeah, but yeah, if you want to keep up with me, I'm going to be on Instagram, on TikTok, in the Discord. Probably not that much on Twitter, but yeah. You guys can probably also see I made a TikTok about Spain, so you go check that one out at The Wealth Prince. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. We'll see what I do for the rest of the week. I will be trading and active in the Discord, like I said. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you guys drop the like, thumbs up as always. Comment, let me know your thoughts. Also share it with a friend. And lastly but not least, subscribe for more videos on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. That's it for me. Have a great day. Have a great week. Let's have a great month. Finish the year strong. I got into making. You got into making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace. What's going on, people? You know what? I thought I've just arrived at the hotel. Let me give you guys a sneak preview of what we're looking at. All right. What are you telling me? Views from the hotel rooftop. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. All of that.
Game over.